Welcome back, everyone. Today's project is another in our little series about helping you guys learn a little more about blacksmithing and getting those skills a little sharper. Today we're going to be doing some hooks, and we're going to attach these at the end to a board. And this project is going to be really good for teaching you how to control these scrolls. That's the rolling over of the metal, and to actually get nice consistent shapes. So let's go ahead and get started so I can show you how to make these. Alright, so the first thing to do is to draw this piece of steel out and bring it to a tapered point. Then on the opposite side, flatten that out so you have a place to mount this. Now we're going to move back to the tapered end. Put that taper just a little over the edge of the anvil and strike at it, and that's going to get your scroll going. Then you can transition your work to the horn of the anvil, and that's how you're going to get those nice curves. So here I used a hot punch, but that's optional. You can always just use a drill and put a hole in it that way. Once you've got this hook cleaned up on the sides with the file, we're going to move on to the wood burning phase. What you're doing here is giving a light char to the outside. This is to preference, and I always go a little darker because, as you'll see in a moment, we're going to hit it with some sandpaper to really bring that grain out. Slather that baby in some boiled linseed oil and get ready to mount these hooks. got that down. This is a fun little project. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. That burned wood look is awesome. Just remember to try and keep consistency in length and where you make your curves. Make a few of these, put them together like I did. Make some cool little like coat hanger or coat rack, whatever it is that you want to make. Give them to friends. But this will help you get a lot of like smooth edges when you do these turns, these loops, and it's a fun little project. I'll see you guys next time.